E-bikes are here to stay, and they're not getting any lighter. Whether wrenching at home or in the bike shop, somehow you've got to get that bike off the ground. Enter the PRS-30, mechanical lift repair stand from Park Tool. With a footprint no larger than a traditional repair stand, the PRS-30 easily lifts and lowers bikes up to 120 pounds using a simple hand crank or a common battery-operated drill. Built to the same standards as Park Tool's legendary professional repair stands, the PRS-30 features all-steel components, a professional-grade clamp, choice of base with either integrated wheels for easy repositioning or an available solid plate for added staying power, and 23 inches of height adjustment, making it easy and comfortable to remove wheels, tune drivetrains, and fix anything on your bike, or any bike. The PRS-30 Mechanical Lift Repair Stand from Park Tool.